Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn the Suitecrm tutorial. Suitecrm is an open source CRM platform that helps businesses manage leads, sales, and customer interactions. To get started, download and install it on your server or use a hosting provider with Suitecrm pre-installed. Log in with your admin credentials to access the dashboard, where you can manage contacts, leads, and opportunities. Then, go to the admin panel to set up company details, currency, email settings, and user roles. If working with a team, add users and assign permissions in the user management. You can manually add contacts or import them via CSV under the contact section. Track sales by creating leads and converting them into opportunities. Automate tasks using the workflow module, which triggers actions like email notifications. Next, generate reports in the reports section to track sales and business performance. Suitecrm also integrates with email marketing, accounting, and customer support tools. For customization, use the Studio section to modify fields, create custom modules, or change themes. Following these steps will help you efficiently manage customer relationships and streamline business processes with Suitecrm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.